everybody, what's up? It's Laura at Vegan RV, and today we're going to go back to Chiang Mai, Thailand. We still have a few videos from Thailand, our trip back in the fall of 2019, and in this one we are going to continue in Chiang Mai. The first 5 minutes, I'm going to warn you, is all delicious food that we were eating, so if that's not your cup of tea, then skip ahead 5 minutes, because after that we are going to take a walk all the way around the perimeter of the old city. You'll see a map in the video that shows you how it's basically a big square moat around the old part of the city. It's pretty cool. We see a lot of temples and other cool stuff, so check it out. And then we'll do a few other things, and then I'll come back to say goodbye. See you in a bit.
Moist.
Moist, yes. Avocado and tofu sandwich. And a muesli roll with soy milk and a bunch of fruits. So this is a vegan whole wheat croissant.
Guess you ordered that. All this chocolate. Peanut butter balls. What? Not all is vegan.
Right. But there's a lot of...
They make their own peanut butter. Vegan. Vegan whole wheat croissant. Come on, man. Add the biscotti. I think a lot of this stuff is vegan. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good for cards. Kevin, did you get cow soy again? It's amazing. And you got lots of goodies to go in it.
I got you something.
That's chili pepper. I can't see that. Alright. I'm stopping it now. Pad Thai. Pizza. Soy cappuccino and pancakes with a drizzle of black sesame sauce and some fruits.
And whose side is that on? Yours.
It is mine.
And who got the healthy dish?
Well, it's a tempeh burger.
Tempeh. Avocado.
You get a salad, and only a little bit of fries, so it's not too bad. I'll just try and do it this way.
Just for video, that's
So this is a Penang curry. Probably tasty it. It's freaking delicious.
It's a morning walk, our first morning walk.
Yeah, we got up and out early. It's
The sun is up already still.
7:20.
Yeah. And in about 10 minutes, it's gonna be hot as hell. So I figure, why not walk 50K
Yeah,
around the city?
We're gonna do the whole wall and wall of the city
Inside.
inside.
Yep. Say it's really pretty. Check
Bunch
it
of
out.
temples.
Yeah. We have seen the temples. We saw them last night. Part of the wall. Before we're walking. This is us.
So somebody's sending an offering up. You can see this. That's pretty cool. point off laundries here in Chiang Mai. This one looks really clean and nice. Instructions in English is important. So if you want to worship Ganesh, place you can go to for free. So we happened upon the Saturday market. Obviously not all vegan.
Vegetarian stall here.
Size that thing. Looks like they rebuilt this gate.
ตลาดวโรรสอยู่ฝั่งนู้นนะถ้าเราไปแล้วมาซ่าอยู่ฝั่งนี้ถนนนี้เป็นหลัก
These pine trees are kind of crazy looking. Maybe not really a pine.
What's that?
So, if you walk the entire old wall of the walled city in Chiang Mai,
It's 6K.
yeah, 4.49 miles. We're not quite back to the place yet, but
How many steps you get?
I don't know. I'll have to tell them later, or on the screen or something.
Military on motorcycle.
Whew, I'm hot. How about you?
I always have been.
Oh, looks like we have a visitor. Hey, buddy. He's a real little one.
Come back and show them how small that is. Back up. Okay.
He's real tiny. We're riding in a tuk-tuk.
It's an electric one,
Yeah.
so you can get them on and grab. It's pretty awesome.
Yep. I'll show you the front of it in just a second.
Oh, their handlebars are amazing.
See the end. Not quite. It's a French toast sandwich. It's got peanut butter, banana inside,
And dates.
and dates. And then I got the fruity pancakes. There's mango inside, a bunch of fruit on top. It's amazing.
Marriage, love and marriage. If the introduce can't disparage this, I tell your brother, can't have one without the other.
I'm pretty sure.
Original.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Kim, first one to tell you.
Yep. There you guys have.
Yep.
people, which I don't want to do. And they're first coming in. They don't want to deal with me first thing out the gate. So I will.
So right now we're on our way to see the Game Changers.
Game Changers.
Mr. Green.
All you can eat buffet?
Chiang Mai.
Watch a movie
Yeah.
about good shit.
Yeah. So pretty awesome.
It's not Transformers 12, but
So the movie comes with buffet foods. It's pretty good.
finished our food. And we may have eaten 2 chocolate chip cookies. Do you know why we had 2 chocolate chip cookies? Because somebody said they didn't want one. Until I opened up my package. Good times. They're bringing in another fan. We're gonna start the show here in a minute. So excited. I'm glad I saw this.
Yeah. Pretty cool. So that's like whatever your interest is. If you're traveling to different cities all the time, just sign up for a Facebook group or something in the area, and you can find out about what's going on around your interest.
Well, first you have to search.
Oh yes.
You don't sign up for it just directly.
It just comes to you. Actually, there'll probably be an ad for it.
Yeah, so I just searched Chiang Mai Vegans, the group came up, and they said that they were hosting it at the place. Like, they didn't even have anything out here at the restaurant. But sold out, 25 people, small room, we're all hanging out. That's it. Hashtag Nimman.
As an ox without eating any meat. And my answer was, have you ever seen an ox eating meat?
Holy crap, we never get tired of exploring the temples in Thailand. They are just so beautiful, and they just blow us away every single time. Also, we got to visit another part of the city, Nimman Rd, and surprise, we ate some more vegan food. And at the end of the video, we found a showing of the Game Changers in Chiang Mai with a vegan buffet. How awesome was that? If you haven't seen the Game Changers, it is available on Netflix, and it's pretty cool to see how performance athletes eat a vegan diet and excel and do amazing. So if you're curious about that and you already have Netflix, hey, it's free, why not? That's it for this video. We'll be back with a little bit more Chiang Mai, and we also have a lot of other stuff that we're putting out. So if you like our videos, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to be informed when we're going to put out new content, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell so you'll get a reminder, and we will see you next time.